A conducting ring of radius r with a conducting spoke OA is in pure rolling on a horizontal surface in a region having a uniform magnetic field V as shown. V being the velocity of the center of the ring, and the potential difference V naught minus V is. So if this is V, then the angular velocity with respect to O is V by R, right? And we know that EMF induced in a rotating conducting rod is half B omega L square, which is half B omega is V by L into L square. Or here L is nothing but R. So substituting that, it is half B V R, but which will be at a higher potential. You can see that this is the direction of V with respect to O. So V cross B will be, this will be positive and this becomes negative. V bar cross B bar. B bar is out of the page, so V cross B is like this. That would be option